How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Most of this video is going to be either a time lapse or cut audio simply because we had a heater on. It was super cold that day. We worked on the car. This was all shot during the winter time, so we had one of those torpedo heaters running and it pretty much drowned out anything we said anyway. So I'll add some commentary here and there. There will be a couple spots where I do talk, but otherwise I'm just going to go ahead and shut up, kick back, watch us work. All right, so the engine's out, and here's what we've learned so far. This was a 5 Series straight 6, 3 liter. Came with the ZF transmission, automatic. The wiring harness contained wires meant for half and half. There was a little bit of both in there. The wiring harness definitely had the coil pack harness from the 5 Series, which will not work. The transmission control unit was from the GM transmission that came in the 325. Which this car would have never ran if it did plug everything in right. Luckily, we have our hands on it now. Today we are in the presence of the M54 V30. Today I'm going to tear it down, break everything apart, and get it ready for reassembly. Well, it's got a, so what they did was they sold, it comes with a longer one of these boys.
He just did a magic trick.
It just keeps coming out. Uh-oh. Guess we're not taking that bolt off. Just kidding. So overall inside the engine, it looks like it's in relatively good shape. There's a lot of oil and sludge and stuff like that, but the bearings themselves look a little worn. But the actual crankshaft itself looks like it's in perfect condition. So we're gonna run it, put new bearings in, send it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. I'm gonna keep on cranking these videos out, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching. Peace out.